Hi everybody, I'm about to unbox my new Bilt Palladium credit card. I applied for this on March 1st and got an immediate virtual card number to use, but the physical card arrived several days later on March 5th. This is the, as you might be able to tell there, the limited edition card, so I believe this is supposed to be a mirror finish. So let's see what Bilt has in store for us. So let's get a little cover on it. This arrived, by the way, on via FedEx courier, delivered straight to my doorstep. So, as you can see, it's kind of coming out on both ends here. Can you see that? This little, earn the richest rewards in your home, neighborhood, and everywhere else. And indeed, it has my name there, Ken Leon, Palladium MasterCard. And I'm not going to show you the back in case the number's on it, but we'll pop it out of here maybe. Supposedly this comes with a card to clean your fingerprints off with, but we'll see about that. And yes, indeed, the numbers are on the back. I obviously won't show you that. And let's see if the card is inside here. Did I not get my card? Let's see. Maybe it's in the back. The richest rewards card meets points on rent and mortgage. Ooh, maybe it's in here. Haha, you are correct. There is the little microfiber card that I'm supposed to use to keep the card clean. Well, there you have it, everybody, the Bilt Palladium card. Thank you.